Welcome back to Trash Panda Off-Road, guys. Today's episode, we're going to try to fix this crazy noise. We pulled the dash out so we have a better idea of what we're working with in here. Pretty sure it's just this little squirrel cage. It's going to be up in here. Just have to take out 4 screws, maybe 3 screws. Replace that. Have another one right there. Hopefully it doesn't make the same noise. One more time. Let's go ahead and check it. See what we got going on. Maybe it's just a loose bolt or something somewhere. Like it's probably something inside vibrating in there. We'll go ahead and take that off and double check for sure. It's only going to be 4 screws, so shouldn't be that big of a deal. Took out the little squirrel cage, and this is what we came up with. Move some light here so you can see it without glare. Full of lint, insulation, that kind of stuff. So we'll clean that out and see if we can pop it back in and see if it still rattles. Did also have to take out 1 bolt that was back here. I don't know if I can get that back there to see it. Let's see here. Right there. That nut had to come off in order to get a little bit of play so that we could pull everything out. So we'll go ahead and pull all that fabric off of there. And that wasn't so bad. Hopefully that levels it out, makes it spin like it's supposed to, and we'll get rid of that noise. All wrapped up, guys. Really wasn't that bad after all. You saw the moss and insulation and stuff that was in there. Turned it on. Oh yeah, much quieter. Much better. So like I said, there were 3 screws down here at the bottom. Let's see if I can show you here. Got to be up under here for 3 screws. They're not really screws, they're like stars or flatheads or 8mm. I used a 8mm ratcheting box wrench to get them off. Worked pretty well for me. Then I did show you also this one here. Get some light up in there. Right there behind the tube. Oh man, not a good camera person, am I? Right there. That one right there. 12mm. Got to take that nut off in order to get enough play to be able to pull down the basket. And then also up in here, those 2 8mm, no, 10mm. Those 2 10mm, and my ratchet's still attached to it. So I guess I wasn't done after all. Good thing I did this. Again, not a professional. Yeah, hey, look at that. 10mm. This is how I lost. Everybody goes, oh, I lost my 10mm. Now you know how that happens. Anyways, had to loosen those up in order to get enough play to put the basket back in there. But all in all, everything's all wrapped up. Gonna put the glove box back in, put all the junk I had in the glove box back in, and that's it. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna keep making geo-tracker content, and I guess that's all I have to say. So like, share, subscribe, tell all your friends, follow along at Trash Panda Off-Road on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.